So what is merge sort? Merge sort is an efficient and stable sorting algorithm that guarantees a consistent result regardless of the initial order of elements. It works a similar way as quicksort where it's about dividing and conquering. So you divide the unsorted list into a number of sublists until each sublist only contains one single element. Then they'll merge up in a way such that it will result in a sorted list. So how does it actually do? So what it does is that it will recursively split the array until it has one element left, and then you compare each element inside the arrays and merge it up until there's only one subarray remaining. So what it actually does is that it merges two sorted sublists into a single sorted list by repeating comparing the smallest elements of each sublist and appending the smallest one to the new list. So here's the code for it. Similarly to the quicksort algorithm, what this line does is a terminating case, and when there's only one or less element, it will return that element. And the middle point will be just taking from the mid. You just find the middle sort of index, and so the left will be from 0 to mid, and right will be mid to that end. So what's more interesting here will be the merge. So how this works is that this while checks for whether left and right exists. Then if the left is smaller or equals to right, you will append this left one, this zero position data to the results, and then you remove it since you pop it. So after you pop it, the next element, the one in position, will now become 0 position. And if the right one is smaller than the left one, then you do it for the right, you pop the right one instead and append it to the result. After you keep repeating it until one of the lists is empty, you break free of this condition of this while loop, and you go to this left or right instead. When it breaks free, it will mean that in either left or right subarray, in one of them, the one that's left, the elements inside there will definitely be bigger than that in the results. So what you can do is you just add it back to the result, allowing you to get back the sorted array, because everything inside there will be sorted already, as it will definitely be bigger than the result. Hence this will allow you to merge it up properly and get a sorted array. So what's the time complexity of merge sort? It will be O n log n. Merge sort guarantees a O n log n performance, making it very efficient for large data sets. However, it requires additional memory space for the merge operation, and also is slower for smaller data sets as compared to some other algorithms due to its recursive nature and additional memory requirements. Overall, merge sort has a better worst case scenario as compared to quicksort, and their average case is about the same at O n log n. In practice, the choice between quicksort and merge sort depends on specific characteristics of the dataset and the importance of stability in the sorting process. That's all I have for today. Thank you.